You're spending, saving, and investing. But what if I told you you've been doing it all wrong? Yes, even the most common financial advice could be setting you up for failure. Want to know what's lurking beneath the surface of your money habits? Keep watching, because today we're diving into the dark secrets of everyone talks about until it's too late. Until it's too late. Personal finance is everywhere. Books, podcasts, YouTube videos. But the truth is most people are making the same deadly mistakes over and over again. If you want to avoid financial disaster and keep your money safe from the unseen traps, stick around. Today, we're unraveling the most important and terrifying things you must know about managing your money. It's not just about saving and investing. It's about survival. Most people think personal finance is simple. Save some money, spend less than you earn, and you'll be fine. But that's where the problem starts. What if I told you that ignoring the hidden complexities of personal finance could send you down a path of endless debt and stress? The truth is, without the right knowledge, you're walking blindfolded through a minefield. Let's reveal the first, and perhaps the most dangerous, secret of personal finance. The silent killer, inflation. You've heard the word inflation before, but have you ever considered how quietly it erodes your savings? Imagine your money slowly rotting away while you're none the wiser. You think your savings are safe, tucked away in a bank account, but every single day, inflation is eating into its value. $1 today won't be worth the same tomorrow, and before you know it, the purchasing power of your money will have decayed. Most people don't even realize this until it's too late. So, what can you do? You need to invest wisely, because keeping all your money in cash is like watching it wither away. If you don't act, inflation will ensure your hard-earned savings vanish in front of your eyes, leaving you with nothing but regrets. 2. The debt trap. Credit cards. Credit cards seem harmless at first, a convenient way to spend money and pay later, right? But what if I told you that credit cards are designed to lure you into a financial pitfall? Think about it. They're offering you rewards, points, cashback, and more. But behind those flashy offers lies the real danger. Interest. If you're not careful, you'll end up paying double or even triple for things you don't even remember buying. And that's how the debt trap tightens its grip on you. Here's the terrifying part. Once you're stuck in this cycle, getting out feels almost impossible. Credit card companies profit off your mistakes, and they'll never tell you the real cost until you're drowning in debt. The key? Pay off your balance in full, every month, before the interest creeps in. Because once it does, it's like fighting a losing battle. 3. The dangerous myth of good debt. Have you ever heard the term good debt? They say student loans or mortgages are good because they help you build wealth or improve your life. But here's the truth. All debt comes at a cost. And the moment you believe that some debts are good, you've already fallen into a dangerous mindset. Student loans are often seen as an investment in your future, but what they don't tell you is how crippling the repayments can be. Interest piles up, and before you know it, you're paying off a loan well into your 30s or even 40s. Mortgages? Sure, owning a home sounds like the American dream, but the reality is, the interest you pay over decades can add up to the cost of buying 2 houses. Don't be fooled. Debt is debt, and it always comes with a price. Don't let the good debt myth lull you into complacency. 4. The phantom of lifestyle inflation. Ever felt like the more you earn, the more you spend? That's the curse of lifestyle inflation, a phantom that follows you as your income grows. You upgrade your car, buy a bigger house, splurge on vacations, all in the name of rewarding yourself. But what you don't realize is that lifestyle inflation is one of the most sinister ways to keep you in financial chains. Here's the trap. As you earn more, your expenses increase to match, and suddenly, despite your higher income, you're still living paycheck to paycheck. Lifestyle inflation creeps in so silently that you barely notice it, until one day you wake up and wonder where all your money went. The solution? Live below your means, no matter how much you make. Fight the urge to upgrade, because once lifestyle inflation grabs hold, it's almost impossible to shake off. 5. The fear of missing out. FOMO. Investing. We've all seen the headlines. This stock skyrocketed. Or, everyone is making money off crypto. It's easy to feel like you're missing out on the next big thing. But here's what they don't tell you. Chasing hot investments based on hype alone is one of the fastest ways to lose money. FOMO investing is like following a crowd into a haunted house, only to realize you're trapped with no way out. When you invest based on emotion, rather than research and strategy, you're gambling with your future. The key to successful investing is patience, not excitement. Don't let the fear of missing out lead you into bad decisions. Stick to your plan, diversify your portfolio, and remember, slow and steady wins the race, even if it's not as thrilling as the latest crypto craze. Now that we've unveiled these dark secrets, let's dive into the most critical mistake people make: ignoring their future. Everyone wants quick wins, right? We want to see our investments grow overnight, or we want to retire comfortably without putting in the hard work. But here's the haunting truth. If you don't start planning for the long term now, your future self will be left picking up the pieces. Imagine being 65, ready to retire, only to realize you didn't save enough, didn't invest early enough, or didn't diversify your portfolio. That's when the real nightmare begins. The biggest, most terrifying thing to know about personal finance is this. You cannot escape the consequences of financial ignorance. The choices you make today, or the ones you avoid making, will come back to haunt you tomorrow. And the scariest part? By the time you realize it, it's already too late. Personal finance is full of hidden traps, lurking in the shadows, waiting to catch you off guard. From the slow decay of inflation to the all-consuming debt cycle, there are countless ways your money can slip through your fingers if you're not careful. But now, you know the secrets. Now, you can prepare, plan, and protect yourself from financial disaster. Remember, it's not about making more money. It's about keeping the money you already have safe from the unseen dangers that lie in wait. So, what are you going to do with this knowledge? Subscribe and dive deeper into the world of personal finance, or check out the next video and keep your money safe from the shadows.